Hi, my name is Angela Johnstone. I am majoring in business administration, and I am hoping to learn how to better manage crisis situations in large organizations, as that's where I work. And it'll be interesting to see sort of the method behind the madness on all of the signs that we have to post and things that, I see as an employee even that have to do with crisis management. It'll be interesting to see the logic behind that and sort of better understand the rules that, require things like that and, my participation as an employee. Um, Something interesting about me. Yesterday was season opener for ducks in Fairbanks, and I got four, and I trained our lab for duck hunting, and he did really well this year, which this is his second season, and it was really impressive to see him be a little bit more mature about it and behave in the blind, which is really my biggest excitement for the weekend. So it makes a good, interesting fact. Um, I have two dogs. They wander through the back of my videos all the time. One of them looks like a black bear, and it's not. So that's about it. And yeah, my name's Angela, so it'll be interesting learning with everybody this year.